Hey, what's up you guys? It's Shane from Learnerpreneur, and in this video you're going to learn how to mute a conversation on TikTok. If you don't want to receive message notifications from a particular user, TikTok allows you to mute a conversation with that person. So open up TikTok, make sure that you're logged in, and then go down to the bottom of the screen on your toolbar and click on Inbox. That will show all the activity in your inbox. To go to your direct messages, just click on the airplane icon at the top right-hand corner, and that will open up all the direct messages that you have received. To mute a particular conversation from a particular user on TikTok, just find the user and the conversation. We'll choose this one at random, and then go to the top right-hand corner and click on that three-dot menu. That will open up a details page where directly underneath the user's profile picture you can see where it says mute notifications. To mute notifications, just slide that toggle to the right so it lights up in green. I hope this video helped you on how to mute a conversation on TikTok. If it did, smash like, subscribe, and watch this video right here to learn another cool trick with TikTok.